Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm here to show you one of my very recent trade-ins. It's a 2017 Riverstone by Forest River. This is a 37 RL. Very, very nice, very well maintained and taken care of. This is a rear living model. One unique thing that you're going to find in this, only two manufacturers that I'm aware of that build construction as far as exterior walls. The thickness of this wall on this coach is thicker than anybody else but one other in the industry, so therefore it would make a nice full-time livable or longer term stay type fifth wheel if you're looking for all season compatibility, getting the warm in the winter and the cool in the summer. Lots of storage area, auto leveling system, residential refrigerator, a nice island in the center, a dishwasher, very nice fifth wheel, front bedroom, rear living, solid surface countertops, rounded cabinetry that's kind of unique on this, on the corners with cabinet doors that are rounded off. Adds a nice touch. But come on inside, let me show you some interior details as well. So inside the Riverstone here has a nice, very large slide out on the door side with the dinette table and reclining chair. This is also going to have dual pane windows, the duo roller shades. The dinette table has storage underneath one leaf, and then it has a pull-out extension for a larger table along with two folding chairs. Nice couch at the back end, nice panoramic view around three sides of the coach, and then you have the hide-a-bed in the couch as well. We pan around to the entertainment area. A nice big large Samsung flat screen TV. This unit actually has a satellite dish mounted on top, which is the Winegard Traveler. So if you subscribe to the proper network, the dish is already there for you. A nice big pull-out fireplace with the sound bar underneath the TV. It also has plenty of lighting throughout. Everything's LED. Overhead cabinetry is very spacious. In the island we have a nice double deep sink with a dishwasher in it and plenty of counter space. And then we have the opposing slide on the off-door side, which is the kitchen, so that's going to give you your entertainment area, your kitchen area, along with the microwave convection, the induction cooktop, and then we have the LG residential refrigerator with plenty of cabinet space below the counters in the slide as well, with overhead as well. And then we have a nice little kitchen nook that's a nice place for maybe a few appliances, maybe coffee maker, toaster, or something like that. And then another floor-to-ceiling cabinetry with the rounded cabinets that I talked about. So plenty of storage, fantastic fan in the ceiling for exhaust, and then we also have the four-blade residential fan in the living room to circulate our heat and or cool from the air conditioning. Upstairs we have the central vac, we have the control center, very large spacious bathroom. Nice big bedroom area with TV and fireplace in the TV as well. Nice walk-in closet. Dual air conditioners on the roof. So this unit is pretty well equipped with all the livability and being compatible to a livability situation that you can enjoy this coach year-round or extended stay and be very comfortable. So this kind of in a quick video, there's a handful of other things we can talk about. If you have any questions on a high-end luxury quality type fifth wheel, please contact me. I've been with Guaranty for 16 years. Make sure you contact me. Again, my name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. And just remember, I'd love to chat with you for any questions you may have, particular in the high-end luxury type fifth wheels. Contact me here at Guaranty RV Center. Thank you and have a great day.